Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Naturally Nappy here, and if you're new here, what's up? Welcome to my little corner of the universe. You could be a part of the Nap family by making sure that you like, you comment, you subscribe, you share, you hit the bell so that you could be here for my next video and all that fun stuff. And if you're here, welcome back. I appreciate you guys being a part of the Nap family and continuously to support me. Yes guys, so today's video we will be doing a mask treatment on my natural hair, my type 4 hair. And this is one of the staples that everyone has in their arsenal, but it took me a while to get it, of course. But I'm here today to give you guys a demo and my personal review about the product. So if you would like to see how I apply this product to my hair and what product it is, of course, stay tuned. Yes guys, so today's product we will be using is the Deep Strengthening and Restore Mask Treatment by Main Choice. And this product claims to repair and restore damaged hair, strengthen, fight shedding and breakage, add moisture and hydration, and lastly improve manageability and elasticity. So today I will be giving you guys again my honest review about this product and applying it to my hair. So we're going to get right into it. Yes guys, so this green tea and carrot deep strengthening and restore mask is in an 8-ounce tube, and it is super creamy, but it applies well to the hair. And I'm also going to leave the top 5 ingredients on the screen. So while applying this product, I section my hair into 6 sections, 3 in the front, 3 in the back, and I just massage this product throughout my hair. No specific method, but ensuring that I am also treating those ends and seeing how well this clumps my curls. The Main Choice Green Tea and Carrot Deep Strengthening and Restore Mask Treatment is a healthy hair essential. The hair mask has been formulated to penetrate the hair shaft and infuse your hair with high-quality vitamins and nutrients to transform your hair into its most optimal and healthiest state. Enriched with biotin, green tea, and carrot oil, this product will immediately begin to repair and restore dry and damaged strands. It is great for natural, relaxed, perm, and or colored hair. The direction says, after shampooing, apply a generous amount from root to end. Massage gently into hair, especially the ends, and distribute it evenly. Cover hair with a plastic cap and sit under the dryer for 15 minutes. May be left on with a plastic cap for up to an hour without heat. Rinse thoroughly, style as usual, and use every 1 to 2 weeks for best results. Now, after speaking on all the technicalities, my honest review on this product was great. I applied this product to my hair. I applied it to my hair, and then I detangled as I went along. And detangling was very easy. It definitely did soak into my hair, which made it detangling super easy. My hair felt super moisturized, and yeah, I can definitely see me using this product again and again. So I am back now after some hours. I don't remember how long I've had this. Maybe like an hour and a half. My hair has soaked up a lot of this treatment mask. My hair has picked up some definition from these twists, so I know that my hair has soaked it all up and it is doing very well. I really don't have much to say but that I like this product and my hair likes this product. And yeah, let me go rinse it out and then I'll be right back. Alright guys, so let's get into my honest review about this product. So as you can see, this mask plumped my curls very, very well. My hair feels so much more manageable. It feels more hydrated. The elasticity on my hair again is, as you can see, like it's, you know, I can't really, I mean, the proof is shown in my hair. My hair has bounced back. My hair is shrunken, so you know it's hydrated, it's moisturized, it's healthy. It mentions that it's supposed to repair and restore damaged hair. My hair isn't either, but my hair does feel strengthened. My hair isn't weighed down, so the moisture is in there. Strengthens, fights shedding and breakage. I think this deep conditioner or mask treatment should be used continuously, like it mentions in the direction. It says it should be used every 1 to 2 weeks for best results. So I think after continuous use, I'll begin to see the less breakage or the less shedding in my hair. But overall, I definitely do see and know that it strengthened my hair to where my hair just feels strong and, you know, alive. Like I don't know how to explain it. And it adds moisture and hydration. My hair is definitely moisturized. Again, I said that, but my curls are clumped. My hair is bouncing back, so that means it's packed with moisture. But it's not one of those moistures that weigh your hair down like a moisturizing deep conditioner. This is more of an internal one on the hair, to where it's not like you can't. I don't know how to explain it. My hair doesn't feel like the mask is still on my hair. It doesn't feel like it coated my strands on the outside, but I definitely believe and know that on the inside of my strands, within those cuticles, that my hair is strengthened, stronger, and moisturized. And lastly, it improves manageability and elasticity. As you saw when I was detangling my hair, it was awesome. I applied the mask to my hair less than after I finished massaging the product in my hair. Once I go to detangle, it was easy. I didn't have to worry about, you know, letting it sit a little bit longer before starting to detangle my hair. And yeah, I definitely think you guys should give this green tea and carrot deep strengthening and restorative mask treatment a try. I purchased this during one of their, I think it's either 40 or 50% off sales. They've been having those pretty often between the last year, so I'm assuming they'll be having another one coming up soon. I definitely think you guys should definitely give this product a try. It's one of those products that I believe that everyone should have in their arsenal if you're looking for a strengthening deep conditioner, not per se a moisturizing and strengthening, but straight packed with ingredients that's here to restore the hair, strengthen the hair, and better the manageability. I think this is great for that. I think this is, again, one of those deep conditioners that helps the hair. It's just packed with, I don't know how to explain it. It's just one of those products that is strictly for repairing the hair. That's what I'm trying to get at. Strictly here for repairing the hair. This, I believe, I will be using this again. I'll give this a try within the next week, of course, since I have nothing else better to do. I'll be giving this deep conditioner a try again and continuously checking to see how well it works with my hair and how it restores and repairs my hair. I'm working on this side here. This side is shorter than this side, so you know, we're working on it. And then this here is my looser textured area. So, you know, we're working on length retention. So this is also, it mentions natural growth and retention solution. So hopefully this will help my hair grow longer, stronger, and less shedding and less breakage. But other than that, I give this mask a 5 out of 5. I think you guys should go out and give this a try if you can. And that's it. I thank you guys for tuning in for this video. I appreciate you guys watching to the end, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.